Welcome to NextGen Mansions. I'm thrilled you're here. Today we're stepping inside a $50 million pure white and sky blue masterpiece in Dubai. A home where every line, every surface, and every detail has been created to impress. Library, floor-to-ceiling bookshelves glow sky blue, sun streams in. Soft seating invites you to relax, read, and dream big in this private sanctuary. Car gallery, white marble floors mirror supercars under sky blue LEDs. Lamborghini stands center stage. Dressing room, glass wardrobes with blue backlights, marble island, and velvet seat create a boutique feel. Dressing becomes an experience, not a task. Kitchen, pure white marble and sky blue cabinetry blend with hidden appliances. Soft underlighting makes this futuristic kitchen. Dining hall, a sculptural glass table floats under a chandelier. Sky blue chairs glow as the garden view. Living area, double height lounge with white and blue furniture. Vast windows reveal a hint of waterfall mist drifting across lush tropical gardens. Stairs, marble and glass staircase spirals upward, each step lit from below, railing glowing softly like a ribbon of light through the home. Corridor, a gallery-style corridor with recessed blue lighting, art panels and hidden doors, connecting private worlds like a secret passage. Guest room, king bed with sky blue headboard, balcony over gardens, soft lighting and clean lines make every guest feel like a private VIP. Washroom, white marble walls, frameless showers, digital mirrors and ambient light turn every washroom into a calm, spa-like retreat. Swimming pool, infinity pool tiled sky blue, palm trees and gentle water features echo the hidden waterfall mist drifting in from the garden. TV room, velvet recliners face a massive screen, acoustics tuned for cinema nights, soft blue light wraps walls for a modern cocoon feel. Champagne lounge, private bar of white marble with sky blue lighting, crystal bottles on floating shelves. Skyline views invite celebration in style. If you've loved walking through this $50 million pure white and sky blue mansion with me, make sure you subscribe to NextGen Mansions. Hit the bell so you never miss the next tour, and drop a comment telling me which space blew you away. The library, the pool, or the Lamborghini in the driveway. Your next dream home might just be our next video.